When it comes to paving, both concrete sand and bluestone dust are excellent choices due to their coarse texture, which prevents moisture from becoming trapped between pavers and ensures a solid foundation. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use either concrete sand or bluestone dust to lay pavers. Prepare the area. Start by cleaning the area of any debris and vegetation. Excavate the area. Dig out the area to a depth that allows for the pavers, bedding layer and sand to sit at the desired height. Add base material. Lay down a base material like B-grade crushed rock and compact it with a plate compactor to create a stable foundation for the pavers. Add a layer of sand or dust. Spread a layer of either concrete sand or bluestone dust evenly over the compacted base material. The sand or stone dust should be screeded and levelled to ensure a consistent depth. Install edge restraints. Place edge restraints around the perimeter of the area to keep the pavers in place. Lay the pavers. Start laying the pavers in the desired pattern, ensuring they fit closely together. Compact the pavers. Once all the pavers are laid, use a rubber mallet to firmly compact the pavers into the sand or stone dust. Fill the joints. Finally, spread a finer whitewash sand over the pavers and use a broom to sweep the sand into the joints between the pavers. Then lightly wet the area to help settle the sand. This is a basic overview, but there are many factors to consider when laying pavers. If you need more specific guidance or want further details on any of these steps, feel free to ask.